that we currently have a bad and a weakened opposition in the country. That it's unfortunate and regrettable that as of today, there appears to be non-existence of the opposition political party. That a situation where key issues, key decisions of government are not being challenged at all by the opposition political parties, that it sends the message that the opposition is completely in bed with the government in power. I have said this time and time again that the only way Nigeria will progress is if we have a viral and a credible opposition. That the beauty of democracy, what strengthens democracy and the tenets of democracy is when the opposition is up and doing and it's alive to its responsibility. That what we currently have in the PDP and the Labour Party are a compromised opposition. I have even heard that some people in the opposition are planning to sue me. That is what I've just heard. That they are planning to sue me because I have told them that they are not a credible opposition and that they are not doing the work of opposition. The remarks that they are angry about, metaphorically speaking, as to them being a tea-serving and a kilishi-serving opposition party. Yes, the idea is that opposition must be fierce, opposition must challenge, opposition must confront the government in power. If my remarks, which comes very strongly about my perception and my resolve about providing credible opposition to the government, if this remark is too hard a pill for the opposition to swallow, then it is most unfortunate and regrettable. For me, on my path, I remain committed to putting key actors in government on their toes, and I charge the entire opposition in the country to do same. That the opposition is on trial. The opposition is on trial because the opposition is failing in its constitutional responsibility of holding government at all levels accountable. That the government in power borrows loan from time to time, and that there is no resistance in the National Assembly, either by the PDP, Labour Party, or NMPP. That the opposition, the current opposition in the country, is sleeping. To the PDP National Chairman and the PDP National Secretary, who have said that my remarks about tea serving and kilishi serving is defamatory. What is defamatory in asking you to be a credible opposition? And if anybody focuses now on attacking the opposition, before I'm accused or alleged of working with the APC government or trying to demoralize opposition, all I have asked is that you people should hold the government accountable. Anybody still attacking Obi, anybody still attacking Atiku at this point, or still attacking leadership of the opposition political parties, will also be complicit. The allegations that we have alleged them to be working for the government in power will also be guilty of same. The idea right now is that the APC government, the Bola Ahmed Tinubu government, should be seen as the common enemy. Everyone should be pointing accusing fingers at them. So I don't want to go on a tantrum with them to say, oh, sue, we will not sue. I don't want to be part of the distraction. Therefore, I withdraw the tea serving and the kilishi serving remark, and so that peace can reign. But if they still want trouble, I am ready and available perpetually in this regard.